Welcome to a fashion journey created especially for confident women over 50. Style has no age limit, and these beautiful looks prove that comfort and elegance can go hand in hand. Today's collection features colorful pants and shirt combinations that are easy to wear, flattering, and perfect for everyday life. Whether you are heading to work, meeting friends, traveling, or enjoying a relaxing day out, these outfits offer inspiration for every occasion. Let's explore these timeless and practical fashion ideas. Notice how bright colors instantly bring energy and confidence to every look. Soft blues, elegant greens, warm pinks, rich burgundy shades, and cheerful yellow create outfits that feel modern without being overwhelming. The beauty of pants and shirt lies in their versatility. They are simple, comfortable, and easy to style while sit looking polished and sophisticated. Here we see relaxed fit trousers paired with lightweight shirts. These combinations created a balanced silhouette that allows freedom of movement while maintaining a refined appearance. Many women appreciate clothing that feels comfortable throughout the day. Breathable fabrics, relaxed cuts, and easy to wear designs help achieve exactly that. As these models walk the runway, notice the variety of shirt styles. Some feature classic button down designs, while others include flowing fabrics, rolled sleeves, and modern trailing details. These small designs elements add personality without sacrificing comfort. For casual outings, colorful shirts paired with straight leg pants create a relaxed yet stylish look. Add simple accessories and comfortable shoes, and the outfit is ready for shopping, lunch dates, or weekend activities. Fashion after 50 is not about following every trend, it's about discovering what makes you feel confident, comfortable, and beautiful. The next looks showcase vibrant color combinations that brighten the entire appearance. Soft pastel shirts paired with neutral pants create elegance, while bold colors and confidence and individuality. Many women find that colorful clothing helps express their personality and creates a positive impression wherever they go. Now let's look at several office inspired outfits. Formal pants combined with tailored shirts create professional looks that remain comfortable throughout a busy day. Structured collars, clean lines, and flattering cuts bring a polished appearance suitable for meetings, business lunches, and workplace settings. The best part is that these outfits transition easily from day to evening. Simply change accessories, add a stylish handbag, and the same outfit becomes perfect for dinner or social events. Another advantage of pants and shirt is that practicality. Different pieces can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits from a small wardrobe. Only colorful shirt can pair beautifully with several different pants, offering endless styling possibilities. This approach saves time, simplifies dressing, and helps build a versatile wardrobe. Notice how confidence enhances every outfit. Good fashion is not only about clothing, it's all about posture, attitude, and self expression. Women over 50 often develop stronger sense of personal style because they understand what works best for their lifestyle and body shape. These animated fashion looks celebrate that confidence. Flowing fabrics, comfortable fits, and cheerful colors